Yeah, metformin is a miracle drug. It's a super drug me pango jojo kithingono su kashashi. Sharo lifestyle ya fail. Lifestyle changes ya fail. Neno wa pumbo metformin. Shasho lifestyle on the kukondoro shashi. Family get into the way. Beka joku exercise. Busy life get into the way. Yeah. Beka joku janawa. Wadha ntuta braya. Kapunari kujawe onyamo ya turo chutney. Oshimbobo shaturo condensed milk. Ya shoshakakarapu ishe. Antu ikuja ihatereke na ya dira kuchangu. Upuna antu ya mweta stragile no suku. Yeah. Pweke ishe varojo kana warando shikuki na ngwe waliko. Yeah. Wapumbwa sometime ngendo hotoro kwacho wapumbwa metformin. Nino wipumbo kutame komiti. It's a safe drug. Oguri safe, shiro ongere pamwe tagu kurongere na tagu kwetere side effect, which are very rare. Mantu ya munga, yeah, which are very rare. Yeah, ongashinda tindo hotoro tegu ku prescribe, yeah, tegu ku metere nawa. Oguri safe, a lot of people and around the world very metformin. Yeah. Na kusimanekwe na urongithwe nawa etatubu ya ukukondroro osuka vitu. Yeah.